Hi everybody, welcome to week 2 of Computer Science 30S. This week we're going to continue our look at the Introduction to Java Programming. So by the end of week 1, you just got a touch of it. You just started looking at the basics of Java programming and Introduction to Java, some basic input-outputs, and maybe even started a little bit of variables. This week now, getting a little more comfortable navigating the InformNet site, let's take a look at what is on the page here for week 2. So during week 2, under your learning experiences for this week, I would be expecting that you'd look a little more at variables this week. Reading through the content page or watching the PowerPoint or watching the video, and then doing the same thing with conditional statements and looping for this Introduction to Java unit. That kind of is the majority of the content of the Intro to Java unit, but that would you be absorbing from your learning experiences. In terms of work goals for this week, which would be the examples you'd be working on this week. So what I would expect is matching examples to that stuff. So matching up with the variables example, read the page or take a look at the GitHub branch. And conditional statements, same thing. Hopefully now you're starting to see that on GitHub you can select and copy and paste the code or read it through the screen captures on the page itself, and same with looping. Okay? And by the end of the week, in terms of assessments, if you feel you're ready and you've now got a grasp on the Introduction to Java content, then you can start on the Introduction to Java programming document. I'll go over more details in week 3, sort of the details of what I'm expecting you to do in terms of work for that. But that should wrap up what you need to do here in week 2. All right.